Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the 2026 BMW M8, a performance grand tourer that blends raw power with sophisticated luxury. If you're looking for a car that turns heads while delivering blistering speed and supreme comfort, the M8 might just be the perfect choice. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2026 BMW M8 is as aggressive as it is elegant, with its low-slung stance, wide kidney grille, and sculpted lines. This car demands attention. The front fascia is sharper than ever, featuring adaptive laser headlights and large air intakes that hint at the beast under the hood. From the side, the M8's silhouette screams performance with muscular haunches, frameless doors, and a sweeping roofline that flows seamlessly into a sporty rear. Around back you get quad exhaust tips, a subtle rear diffuser, and sleek LED taillights that complete the menacing yet refined look. Optional carbon fiber elements enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Now stepping inside. The 2026 M8 is every bit a high-end BMW. The cabin is trimmed in merino leather with Alcantara accents, and nearly every surface feels premium to the touch. The seats are deeply bolstered yet comfortable for long drives, and they're fully adjustable with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The digital instrument cluster and 14.9-inch curved infotainment display run on BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, offering seamless navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and customizable displays. The Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system delivers concert-quality audio, while ambient lighting adds a modern and luxurious atmosphere. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BMW M8 is an absolute powerhouse. Under the hood lies a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that now produces around 640 horsepower and 625 pounds-ft of torque. Power is sent through an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission to all four wheels thanks to the xDrive all-wheel drive system. With the option to switch to rear for pure, this car can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3 seconds flat. Adaptive M suspension, rear differential, and carbon ceramic brakes ensure the M8 handles as sharply as it accelerates. Finally, let's talk price. The 2026 BMW M8 starts around $145,000 for the coupe version, with convertibles priced slightly higher. Fully loaded with options like the M Carbon package and Executive package, you're looking at closer to $165,000. That's it for today's review. The 2026 BMW M8 continues to be a masterclass in blending luxury, tech, and track-level performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. See you in the next video.